Welcome back, everyone. Today we're taking a deep dive into a family favorite, the 2025 Toyota Sienna Hybrid. A minivan that's no stranger to versatility, but this latest version packs even more efficiency, tech and modern style into one well-rounded package. Whether you're looking for an eco-friendly ride for road trips or a spacious daily driver for the family, the Sienna might just check all the boxes. Now, let's start with what stands out right away: the hybrid powertrain. Toyota has made the Sienna Hybrid only, which is a bold move. You get a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with two electric motors, delivering 245 horsepower. While that may not sound like a lot, this setup really excels in fuel economy. We're talking an impressive 36 miles per gallon combined, making it one of the most efficient options in its class. For a minivan that can carry up to 8 passengers, those numbers are pretty remarkable. Whether you're in the city or hitting the highway, the Sienna feels smooth, quiet, and more than capable. When it comes to driving experience, Toyota has focused on comfort and stability. The Sienna isn't designed to be sporty, but it handles turns confidently, and the hybrid system delivers a nice balance of power and fuel efficiency. You won't feel like you're driving a sluggish van, and with available all-wheel drive, it gives you extra traction for those rainy or snowy days. Moving on to design, Toyota clearly wanted to push the boundaries of what a minivan can look like. From the outside, you notice sharp lines and an aggressive front grille, which almost makes it look like an SUV. It has a more refined and modern aesthetic compared to previous generations. The sleeker headlights and bold profile make this minivan stand out in a segment not usually known for style. Inside, the Sienna offers everything you'd want in a family vehicle. There's seating for up to 8, and the second row captain's chairs are an option, giving you more comfort and flexibility. Plus, the middle row can slide back an impressive amount, giving extra legroom for taller passengers or creating more cargo space. The third row folds flat, which is ideal for families needing room for sports gear, groceries, or a big shopping trip. And the interior materials feel upscale, with soft touch surfaces and available leather trim. Technology is where the 2025 Sienna shines. Every model comes with a 9-inch touchscreen, featuring Toyota's latest infotainment system, which is user-friendly and responsive. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa come standard, so staying connected is a breeze. There's also a 12-speaker JBL sound system available, perfect for long trips where entertainment is key. You also get Toyota's Safety Sense 2.5 suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, great for peace of mind on the road. One unique selling point is the hands-free sliding doors, which can be opened with a simple kick motion under the door, super convenient when your hands are full. There's also an optional refrigerator and vacuum cleaner built into the center console, features that are sure to win over parents. So, is the 2025 Toyota Sienna Hybrid the right fit for your family? Well, if you're looking for a spacious, comfortable, and fuel-efficient minivan with a touch of luxury and some really smart features, it's definitely worth a test drive. Toyota has done a fantastic job in blending practicality with innovation, and it shows. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Sienna Hybrid, and if you're considering making the switch to a hybrid for your next family vehicle. Thanks for watching. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews.